we talk about New Testament teachings about work. New Testament teachings about work, and here we are going to read the Bible. John chapter 5, verse 17. John chapter 5, verse 17, we read.
But Jesus answered them, My Father is working still, and I am working.
Yes. So if your father is working, you must also work. So it means that if God is working, we should also work as what? Christians. From there we go to Mark chapter 6, verse 3. Chapter 6, verse 3.
Is not this carpenter the son of Mary, and brother of James and Joseph, and Judas and Simon? And are not his sisters here with us? And they took offense at him.
So who was the carpenter here? Yes? Is he not the carpenter? Who was there? Who are they talking about? Who was the worker? Can you read Mark chapter 6, verse 2 and verse 3? Start verse 2.
And on the Sabbath, he began to teach in the synagogue, and many who heard him were astonished, saying, Where did this man get all this? Where is the wisdom given to him? What is the wisdom given to him? What mighty works are wrought by his hands? Is not this the carpenter, the son of Mary, and brother of James, and Joseph, and Judas, and Simon? And are not his sisters here with us? And they took offense at him.
So here, Jesus was the carpenter because his father Joseph was also what? A carpenter. So he was the worker. Then we also read Mark chapter 2, verse 17. I don't know why you don't have a Bible. Yes. That is, Jesus was drawing examples from works such as the one for the doctor, and then also the one for the sower. That is the sower. Mark chapter 4, verse 3. So these are the examples that Jesus drew from workers.
Listen, a sower went out to sow.
Yes, so that is about this. So the shepherd, John chapter 10, verse 1 to 2. That is an example from the shepherd. The bell has rung. Huh? No.
Truly, truly, I say to you, he who does not enter the sheepfold by the door, but climbs in by another way, that man is a thief and a robber. But he who enters by the door is the shepherd of the sheep.
So they was drawing the example from the shepherd. The vine dresser, John chapter 15, verse 1.
I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine dresser.
Okay.